okra water for people with diabetes. Are you suffering with diabetes? Then you are one among the millions of people who are suffering with diabetes. Diabetes is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. It contributes to the development of deadly conditions like cardiovascular diseases and end-stage renal disease. Consuming a healthy diet can help those who have type 1 and 2 diabetes control their blood sugar and help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. There are a number of diabetes-related benefits of adding okra to your healthy eating plan. Although there is, so far, only anecdotal evidence of okra water being used to treat diabetes in humans, there is no reason why you can't give it a try yourself. Some people claim that okra water can help stave off the development of type 2 diabetes and help individuals maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Wash 3 to 5 medium-sized okra pods. Clip both ends of the pods, then split the pods in half or pierce each side of the pods with a knife. Place the pods in a large mason jar or a bowl full of water. Soak the pods overnight for at least 8 hours. In the morning, squeeze the pods into the water to release any leftover sap. Throw the pods away and drink the water directly on an empty stomach. By drinking this water regularly, you can keep away diabetes. On the other hand, a Chinese study showed that eating okra improved kidney function in people with diabetes. For any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment in the below comment box. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please like us and subscribe. To get latest updates and notifications, please click on the bell icon.
Here are some tips how to cure diabetes with raw ladyfinger. Diabetes is a common element in people all over the world. These days we get to hear that small children also diabetic and they need to maintain their health with lot of restrictions in diet. For few people, the sugar levels are high and they need to take insulin to maintain sugar levels. People with diabetes need to go through lot of pain and expensive treatment with regular medicines. Ayurveda recommends a natural method to bring down sugar levels. Lady's finger is the vegetable that has proven great results in reducing diabetes. Lady's finger is known as okra, bendi. Simple methods to control diabetes using lady's finger. Ayurveda treatment for curing diabetes with raw lady's finger. Here is a simple tip to control diabetes with raw lady's finger. Take raw lady's finger, wash them, cut the both ends and make a slit in between. Now take a bowl of water. Place this lady's fingers in this water. Add some more water if needed. Cover it with a lid and keep it aside overnight. Remove lady's finger from the water. Drink this water on empty stomach. This water will be slimy with the addition of the musclage sticky content of lady's finger. Repeat this method for 2 weeks and then do a sugar test and check sugar levels. Soluble fibers are very important to keep your kidney healthy. They play their role in digestion of carbohydrates. Lady's finger is enriched with the soluble fibers. Digestion process is slowed down and hence lowers the sugar levels in blood. For some individuals, the kidney gets affected with high sugar. Prevents deterioration to your key organs by adopting this simple method in your daily routine. Include lady's finger in your menu too. Okra helps in lowering the blood sugar levels by blocking the absorption of sugar in the intestinal tract.
Doctors shocked okra water cures diabetes. Okra is fast gaining a reputation as a superfood for people with or at risk of diabetes or cancer. Okra, commonly referred to as lady's finger. Okra is known to have a positive effect on blood sugar control, among many other health benefits. Evidence of okra having anti-diabetic properties has increased in recent years, with multiple laboratory and animal studies confirming okra as a potent blood glucose lowering and anti-diabetic food. In one study published in 2011 in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences, researchers in India found that diabetic mice fed dried and ground okra peels and seeds experienced a reduction in their blood sugar levels, while others showed a gradual decrease in blood glucose following regular feeding of okra extract for about 10 years. The drink is made by putting okra pods in water and soaking them overnight. Some of the valuable nutrients in the skin and seed pods will be absorbed into the water. If you are not crazy about the taste of okra, drinking this okra water solution is a quick and simple way to derive the benefits of okra without eating it. Outside of scientific research, many people with diabetes have reported decreasing blood sugar levels after soaking cut up okra pieces in water overnight and then drinking the juice in the morning. While in Turkey, roasted okra seeds have been used as a traditional diabetes medicine for generations. The superior insoluble fiber contained in okra is believed to help stabilize blood glucose by slowing the rate at which sugar is absorbed from the intestinal tract. Okra recipe ideas. The gel inside of okra is a thickening agent, making it a common ingredient in some soups and stews. If you would like to start to use okra as a part of your diet, you can start with a simple gumbo recipe. Pickled okra is another popular okra variation that replaces the bitterness of the okra pod with a sour taste. Pickling okra also softens the peel. If you own a dehydrator, drying out okra pods and seasoning them with sea salt makes a tasty snack to satisfy your craving or crunch. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Okra with rice water cures diabetes. The seeds and peel of okra have anti-diabetic properties which led to stabilized blood glucose levels. Whereas a moderate amount of healthy whole grains such as brown rice or white rice instead of processed grains may reduce the risk of complications like diabetic neuropathy. Firstly, prepare rice water by boiling rice in a bowl. Now, strain this water into a glass or jar and keep aside. Take 4 medium-sized okra pods. Cut both ends of pods and make okra into small pieces. Place the okra pieces into a glass and cover them with rice water. Allow okra to sit in rice water overnight. Squeeze okra pieces before removing from the rice water. Finally, discard the pieces and gulp down the water. Do this once in a day to reduce the effects of existing diabetes or to keep diabetes at bay as a pre-diabetic person. It takes almost no effort on your part and could potentially save your money in reducing the need for expensive treatments. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.